Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are college graduate or about to graduate and want to deep dive into the IoT, an exciting world of IoT, what is IoT? It is called Internet of Things. You are in the right place. Today I am going to break down the fundamentals of IoT so that you can understand it from the ground up and ready to kickstart your IoT journey. Let's go. So, what exactly is IoT? In simple terms, IoT is all about connecting everyday objects to the internet. Think about your smartwatch that tracks your steps, or smartphone or smart home system that lets you control lights with your phone. These devices are things in IoT, and they communicate with each other using internet to make your life more convenient. An IoT system is made of four key components: sensor or devices. These are like eyes and ears of IoT systems. Sensors collect data from physical world like temperature, motion, or sound in the irrigation field. It may be soil or moisture control system. Then comes the connectivity. Once data is collected, it needs to be sent somewhere. That's where connectivity comes in. This can be Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even a cellular network. Data processing. After the data is sent, it needs to be processed to make sense of it. This happens in the cloud or the edge system using the analytics and even machine learning in more advanced systems. User interface. This is the part that you interact it. It could be an app on your phone that lets you control your devices or check the data from the sensors. Or it could be the UI interface on the web where you can see all the analytics done by AI or ML systems from the large data set. Hope you understood it. Let's see how all these parts come together. Imagine you have a thermostat at home. The sensor detects temperature, sends the data through Wi Fi to the cloud server where the data is processed to determine if the temperature is too low or high. Based on that, thermostats adjust the temperature, and you can see it all happening in real time on your phone app. Now, why IoT is important for you as a college graduate? IoT is not just about the smart gadgets, it's revolutionizing the industries from healthcare, where devices monitor patients remotely, to smart cities, managing traffic and energy, and even agriculture, where IoT is improving crop fields through smart irrigation systems. This means there are tons of job opportunities in the IoT development, data analysis, AI integration, and more. To succeed in IoT, you need to understand some key technologies. Number one is cloud computing. Most IoT systems rely on cloud for storing and analyzing and processing the massive amount of the data. The data can be structured, unstructured, or time series data that are generated by devices. So, there are different types of databases used in the cloud for analyzing IoT systems. So IoT is made of two parts. One is the edge side of, where actually uh, this is the part, let's say your home is edge computing, where your edge side data is processed on your home itself. It is not gone to the cloud. So you can implement some AI and ML or smart AI or ML model, a small AI or ML model on the edge side of system. Then comes the cloud part of it. That happens over the network. So edge sends that data to the cloud, and cloud process that the data to gather analytics out of these particular data set. Data analytics and machine learning that often happens on the edge or either in the cloud. Once the data is collected, it is analyzed to make intelligent decisions. Machine learning allows IoT systems to learn from the data and improve their performance over time. There are various types of machine learning algorithms like regressions, artificial neural networks. Uh, Artificial neural networks may not be applied to the edge systems because edge systems are not so sophisticated. They are less, they have the less computing power. Here are a few real world examples where IoT is making a huge difference, especially for graduates like you. Smart campuses, number one. IoT is being used in college campuses to control lighting, security systems, and energy usage. Wearable techs, every Apple Watch or Samsung Watch, things like fitness trackers. These are fitness trackers that help you monitor your health and alert when something is off. Manufacturing, IoT is revolutionizing industries by enabling smart factories where machines are connected to and communicate with each other, and each sensor can communicate each other and send data to over the cloud or to the edge and improve efficiency and reduce the downtime. One of the fascinating use case is about the improving the efficiency. Another fascinating use case is finding when a machine can break down. Skills that you need to get started on IoT. Now, how to get started on IoT? Here are some key skills to focus on. Number one is programming. Language like Python, C, JavaScript are often used in IoT systems development. Networking protocols. Understand how devices communicate with each other. Protocols like MQTT, HTTP, or Bluetooth, even Modbus are some of these communication networking protocols that are used. Cloud computing. Learn platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP Cloud. They are very important. How the data is processed and how AI or machine learning or data science comes into the effect to improve the efficiency or get the analytics done from the IoT devices. Data analytics being number 4. This is the data analytics part. Being able to analyze the data coming from IoT devices is a valuable skill, especially when combined with machine learning algorithms or data science or AI. Challenges and opportunities in IoT. Of course, IoT comes with own set of challenges, especially around the security and privacy. With so many devices connected to the internet, protecting data is paramount. But the challenges also creates new opportunity for you to specialize in areas of IoT security and data privacy. The future of IoT is very bright. And what is your role? And we are just scratching the surface with advancement of AI and 5G especially and edge computing where there is more power to the edge side of processing in IoT. IoT is going to become even more powerful and widespread. As a college graduate entering the job market, you have a chance to be part of revolutionizing this revolutionizing journey of building innovative IoT solution. If you are excited about the possibilities of IoT and want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check out other videos on how to build your career in this exciting field. I am dropping some of the links on learning basics of IoTs. Drop your question in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected and keep innovating. Thank you very much.